Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. Today I'm going to be unboxing a smartphone tripod for any of you guys that want one of these. So if you guys are making YouTube videos or whatever with your smartphone, or you can mount a camera on this as well. So let's get on with it. So I got this off Amazon for 15 bucks. Pretty sure it's like 20 normally, but right now it's on a discount. I'll probably leave a link down below so you guys can check it out. So start opening it. It's an Arkon. It's from Arkon mounts. Tablet, smartphone, cameras, it says it right here. So if you do have a camera, you can just mount a camera right there. Okay, so let's open this right here. Okay, take these staples off, that to the side. Okay, let's take out everything in there. So, let's see what we have in here. So, there's obviously a manual. If you want to read it, you can. I don't think I'm going to read this. It shows you how to mount a camera and all that. Or the smartphone mount. So, I'll put that to the side. Get the trash out of the way. Okay, so, I think this is for the smartphone. It's a part of the smartphone mount. So is this. And then there's the smartphone holder right there. Let's open this. Okay. Then this is obviously the tripod right here. So it says that it's an 11-inch tripod, I'm pretty sure. Let me check. Yeah, flexible 11-inch tripod right there. Okay, so this is how you mount your camera. There's all that stabilization stuff so you can get it even. Pretty nice tripod right here, pretty long. So let me show you guys. It's pretty big. Okay. So once I get the smartphone mount onto it, I'm gonna get back to you guys. Okay, so I set it up right here. Pretty easy setup, took me only about a minute. So there's only 3 parts you put together. This right here, this thing right here. It's a screw so it holds it in tighter, the smartphone holding part. And then basically this. So let's talk about what this can do. It's flexible, so it bends. Pretty strong metal, 11 inches, pretty long. So this right here, when you squeeze it, it holds it in tighter. And then once you unscrew it a little, you see there's a cutout right here. So you can basically have it vertical, so it holds your phone horizontally or vertically. I'll just put it back. And then, okay. Tighten it up, and then this thing turns right here like this, so this can be vertical or horizontal. So I have a Galaxy S10e case right here. I'm gonna put this on and see how well it holds it. So let's put it on. Looks pretty nice, so it can hold my S10e on there without struggling. So I'm gonna open this up so you guys can see how wide it opens. Pretty wide. Probably can fit like a iPhone XS Max or S10 Plus, S20 Ultra. Could probably fit those in there. So that's about it for this video. There's also a bag that it comes with. Pretty nice vinyl bag. Has their logo, Arkon. So let's put this in. See how well it fits. Slide it in. Okay. I guess you'll have to take off the smartphone mount whenever you're not using it, because it kind of takes up a little space, or not. It's pretty well. So that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.